So when I first started looking at solar panels, I was researching right across the board. I was looking at, do we want to lease? Do we want to own? What is the model that we want to look for? And essentially, what is the best cost benefit for us? I'm a major tight ass, so I want to make sure that the cost benefit is going to really outweigh any cost of power bills. Now, moving into a bigger house, we've got a huge power bill now, and that was something that we foresaw. So we looked at Lightforce and we went through the whole motions. I knew that I didn't want to lease, I wanted to own the panels, and I wanted to understand the full length of term that the cost was going to take for us to be able to pay it off. We decided to go ahead with batteries. We thought that it was a really good use of our solar. We're able to harness the energy from the day and then utilize that over the night. So I just made sure that the cost benefit well outweighed the cost of power bills over a 10-year lifespan. It was pretty simple really, and the team at Lightforce, Dan and the team, were just awesome. They spun everything up onto a computer. They showed us what it would look like on our roof. What does the output look like? They compared it to our power bills. To be honest, it was a bit of a no-brainer.